Hello everyone, happy Monday. So happy you're joining me again for another video where we're talking about using the pocket option broker. Now, if you are new to the channel and you've watched the videos, you kind of know what's going on, take the time to subscribe, like, leave a comment so you can learn more about this platform and get your gains for the day. Okay, I have about 3 shout outs I want to do, starting with Gail. Gail went from $70 to $1,000. Now again, she said that took her a week and a half. She still, said she was being very, very conservative. Next shout out goes to Peter, went from $50 basically to $500. He said that took him over 2 days. So here again, both of these people are using different strategies. One is using like a 5-second strategy. Another person just basically lives and dies by the double wick green, and that's that. My last person, she was happy to report, Marie. She went from $300 actually to around, I think she said $950. So there you go. Those are people who are using the tips that I'm sharing in the videos each and every day, giving them gains in their trading sessions. Tip number 1. Oftentimes when you click on a pair or a stock, you will see candles with a lot of wicks. That is not a good pair or stock to be trading on at that time. Okay? And if you keep going to a whole bunch of pairs and stocks and it's lots of wicks constantly, then that market is experiencing a lot of volatility and you possibly could experience a lot of losses. So move on to something else. Again, if you see a lot of wicks, the market is just not good, move on to something else. And let me just say, it's also good to always get that great feedback about how the ebooks are helping people in their trading sessions and allowing them to win more trades as they learn the setups. Others are telling me that the ultimate blueprint is getting them where they need to be when it comes down to planning out their own financial success and how they want to use the platform. And I will also address, many were asking how they can sign up with Pocket Option. The links are in the description. If you have not already signed up, consider doing so you can begin planning on how you're going to make $100 to $200 a day by learning how to trade with the Pocket Option broker. We are simply going to be using 2 moving averages, the 2 and the 5 SMA. That is it. We don't need a stochastic, we don't need an RSI, and you will see how closely both of these moving averages hug those candles so you can make the perfect entry into the trade. What you're going to be looking for is when the white line crosses over the blue line heading up, you're going to be taking a buy. And when the white line crosses over the blue heading down, you're going to be taking a sell. That's it. Let's see how these trades play out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.